The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Stafford County in northern Virginia, the northwestern city of Fredericksburg in central Virginia, eastern Culpeper County in northern Virginia, north central Spotsylvania County in central Virginia, until 2:30 p.m. At 1:46 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Fredericksburg, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Stafford, Fredericksburg, Falmouth, Leland, Roseville, Brook, Ramouth, Stork, Holly Corner, Junavant, Glenby, Hardwood, Ruby, and Spring Valley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. And now a special weather statement from your National Weather Service. Issued at 1:34 p.m. A line of strong thunderstorms will affect southeastern Hanover, northeastern Henry, James City, Chesterfield, Charles City, Prince George, New Kent, Henrico, southeastern Amelia, and northwestern Surrey counties, the city of Colonial Heights, the city of Hopewell, the city of Petersburg, and the city of Richmond. At 1:33 p.m., radar indicated. This is a statement from the National Weather Service. Flash flood watch remains. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Orange County in central Virginia until 3 p.m. At 2:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles east of Orange, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: photos in the direct path of a tornado touchdown. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Damage to roofs, siding, and windows may occur. Mobile homes may be damaged or destroyed. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northeastern Orange County, including the following locations: Goldale, Verdiersville, Mine Run, Locust Grove, and Rhodesville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. And now a special weather statement from your National Weather
It's
Service.
about time we got a tornado warning. Holy crap, I was not expecting this today. Looks like all this is going this way. So we might be in for a great treat today.
And the city of Roanoke. At 2:13 p.m., radar indicated strong thunderstorms.
Oh, that circulation's coming right through us.
Was north of 35 miles.
What is that? What is that? What in the heck? There's no way we have... What in the heck? We do not have a tornado siren that I know of. This is so weird. Okay, first of all, tornado warning was issued for Orange, not anywhere near here. Second of all, when have we ever installed a tornado siren? I think I'm hearing wrong. Am I going insane? Let's go inside to see if anything is like any more warnings were issued. Nope, everything's quiet. Alright, first tornado warning of the year. First it's this guy's first tornado warning and this guy's first tornado warning. I don't... Man, I think I'm just going insane.
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for St. Mary's County in southern Maryland, Charles County in southern Maryland, southern Stafford County in northern Virginia, King George County in central Virginia.
Jesus Christ, we do not care about Maryland.
Central Virginia, the city of Fredericksburg in central
What?
Virginia, Spotsylvania County in central Virginia, and Norfolk, Virginia.
Hey there, key boy. Now, where'd you go? Doridon. Ooh. What the? It's us. Alright guys, so we're just gonna warm up. Bro! Alright. We're just gonna do life while world ends. Including that one pin, that must have cool. Okay, we're just gonna keep playing until something interesting happens. If not, well... Oh, Jesus. Jesus. Oh God. Oh Jesus. Hey, where'd that one go? Freaking flood warning.
This is a statement from the National Weather Service. For the following counties in Virginia, Spotsylvania Spotsylvania and Stafford, and the Virginia independent city of Fredericksburg.
Why is this all blued out?
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flood
It's literally
warning
not.
for urban areas and small streams in Stafford County in northern Virginia, the city of Fredericksburg in central County in central Virginia until 10 p.m. At 5:48 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain that will cause flooding. 1 to 2 inches of rain have already fallen in portions of the area. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible. Some locations that will experience flooding include Stafford, Fredericksburg, Aquia Creek, Massaponax, Spotsylvania, Falmouth, Passamaquoddy, Stones Corner, Roseville, Garrisonville, Snell, Ramleth, Partlow, Glenora, Thornburg, White Oak, Ruby, Leland, Whitewater, and Brokenburg. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately.
No, you. Why does this blue out?
This is a statement from the National Weather Service.
Go get!